How to log into Clydesdale Bank credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're going to find the search box. Type in Clydesdale Bank Mastercard and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Open it. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Now click on the option of login given at the top right corner. Now here you're going to find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of login given under internet banking. Internet banking has moved. Click on continue. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. Now type in your credentials over here, type in the username or customer number, then click on continue. In the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on done. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you can hit to proceed credit card section and then you can get access to credit card. So this way you can easily log into Clydesdale Bank credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.